Hi, well, good morning. And today, well, maybe you can guess, we're in Southampton. And we're going to get in on board the P&O Britannia. So if you'd like to join us, please do. We're going to go through the embarkation process. Hopefully we'll catch a bit of the embarking and we'll show you what goes on there. So if you'd like to join us, as I say, feel free, please do. See you soon.
Bye.
So we've got the Queen Mary 2 from Cunard there parked up. There's a P&O in the background, and something else between them both. So Ocean Terminal for the Britannia. Car checkpoints, car parking. So here we've got the drop off and pick up lines. The taxis, coaches. So if you've not been on a cruise before, you drop your bags off at the bag area, take your bags away. Next time you see them, they'll be outside your cabin door. So you just drop them off here, leave them with the porters, and by magic they appear outside your door. There are several areas where you can drop your bags. Loads of porters about, so loads of assistance if you need it. Okay, so hopefully we'll be able to show you inside. So, big queue down there, we'll find out in a minute. Our cases, let's say you drop off. The numbers here indicate which deck you're on, so we're on deck 10, so this is 15, 10 and 8. Up there is for 14, 10 and 9, so different decks, different drop-off points. So here at this point they check your boarding time, and if you have arrived early, like we have, we're about an hour and a half early, then you go in an early arrival queue. So you kind of wait to be called in. So it's where they're checking the times again. So they're being very strict on the boarding times. Rightly so. Well, that didn't take very long at all. Maybe 10 minutes. So we're going through to check in now. So hopefully this won't be too long. So far we've been here just over 15 minutes. So, and we arrived about an hour early, I would say. So, all good? All good. So the check-in process, if you've not cruised before, is very similar to checking in for a flight. Go to a check-in desk and you have your documents checked, and then you're given a pass to board, and then you pass through security, which you can't film in, of course. You go through scanners and body scanners, very similar to an airport, just that there are a lot more check-in desks for a cruise. So 2:05, so we got a taxi at 1:30, so 35 minutes from getting in the taxi to being on board the Britannia. Reported to muster station as well. We've done that, haven't we? So that's all done. So you go, okay, muster station done, checked in. Very, very quick, very, very efficient, even though we arrived a little bit early. So hope this vlog's been useful to you. If it has, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.